Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
आणि या गोंया भितर खंयचो पुलीस प्रामाणीक हा, खंयचे पॉलिटिशियन प्रामाणीक हा हे मायकल लोबोन सांगचे. पहिले आपले सांगचे की आपण इतलो प्रामाणीक आणि इतलो तांदळान धुतल्या भाशेन आसा म्हणून सारको टवटवीत तांदूळ आसा.
Goa is one of the most corrupt states among all the states of India. तांचेच कडेन कितल्यो केसी आहा त्यो पळय आनी कितल्यो नोंद जायना त्यो पळय. In the index, corruption index, Aam Aadmi Party says that Goa is one of the most corrupt states. CAG काढला मरे. You go through the CAG report. Comptroller and Auditor General is a statutory authority, constitutional functionary. ताणेच कितले ताशारे मारले हेंचेर. They don't want to take cognizance. That is the reason again we are saying they want to run away from the assembly without discussing. A charge of corruption made by a minister against all of them, including himself, all 40 are corrupt. There was a counter charge made by Minister Michael Lobo that Babu Asgaonkar is corrupt. When the responsible officers, ज्यांच्यानी oath घेतला to uphold the constitution, uphold the rule of law, तेच स्वतः जेन्ना करप्ट म्हणटा तेन्ना it has to be taken cognizance. You cannot ignore such statements. म्हणून आम्ही ते तांकां धाडलेले to investigate that. So that process has started perhaps. So I have given my deposition.
The record.
आम्ही फायल केल्ली की न्यूजपेपर जे रिपोर्ट्स असले ते तांकां धाडलेले की ते जेन्ना सांगता की मिनिस्टराचे कोट्स आसा तितून की आमी बरे कोण ना, सगळे 40 आमी करप्ट आणि स्पेसिफिकली बाबू आसगांवकर आणि मायकल लोबो एकमेकाचेर महाकरप्ट म्हणून जे चार्जीस घाली. दिस इज द रायट डिपार्टमेंट टू इन्व्हेस्टिगेट इट. म्हणून आम्ही त्यांच्याकडे हे केल्ली, तक्रार केल्ली. ती आज ताचेर आम्ही डिपोज केलं, ते डिपोजिशन दिलं.